Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rupali and today we will learn about access modifiers in Java. So Java has three access modifiers, public, private and protected. But we also have a default modifier which comes into picture by default when no modifier is specified explicitly. So for better understanding and comparison of access modifiers, I have prepared this table for you guys. But before that, let's understand the parameters on which we will be comparing them. So visibility in the same class. So basically what a class is, class act as a container for data and the code which is inside that class, and it act as the smallest unit of abstraction. Now in case if you are not aware about what abstraction is or what inheritance is, please refer to my other tutorials. Now abstraction refers to hiding the internal details and describing things in a simpler form. Okay, now this is the hierarchy. Okay, I have created one project in Eclipse. So this is my project, my first Java project. I have named it like this. Okay, now here I have three packages, package 1, package 2 and package 3. Now what is a package? So package act as a container for classes and other sub packages. So package contains the classes. Okay, here you can see that we have classes in a package, and we can also create sub package in a package. Okay, so it acts as a container for classes and the other sub packages. Now here I have created this class 1. Okay, and a, b, sum and the sum method, these are the class members of class 1. Okay, these are the variables and the methods, so these are basically the class members of class 1. Now again in the same package, that is package 1, I have created one more class. Okay, and I have named it as subclass of class 1, so as to make you understand that I have created this as subclass of class 1. Now what is a subclass? So when a class inherits another class, it becomes the subclass for that class. Okay, so this is the concept of inheritance. So when some class inherits the other class, it inherits the properties of that class, it inherits the members, that variables and the methods of that class. So within the same package, package 1, we have one subclass of class 1, and this variable example is the non subclass. Okay, this does not inherit class 1, so it is the non subclass in the same package. Now with the same level we have package 2 and package 3. Now in package 2 we again have one class which inherits class 1. Okay, it inherits the class 1, so this will be called as the subclass from different package. Okay, since this is in a different package but it is a subclass, so it will be called as the subclass from different package. Now we have one more package, package 3, and this is a class 3 and this does not inherit class 1, so this will be called as the non subclass from a different package. Okay, now let's go to the comparison. So if we define any class member with the access modifier as public, it will be visible to all. Okay, it will be visible from everywhere. So suppose I define the variables or the methods of a class as public, it will be accessed in the class in which it is defined, and the other classes within the same package, and also to the other classes from the other packages. Okay, it will be publicly accessible. Now if I define some class variable as private, it will only be accessed in the class it is defined. Okay, it cannot be accessed to its subclasses even within from the same package. It can only be accessed from the class in which it is defined. If I do not explicitly declare any of the access modifier to the class members, then by default they will be accessible to the class in which they are defined and the other classes within the same package. Okay, it will not be accessible to the classes from any other package. Now if I define some class variable as protected, then it will be accessible in the class it is defined, the classes from the same package and the subclass from the different package. Okay, it will not be visible to the non subclass from a different package. So these are the access modifiers we have in Java. Now one thing to keep in mind here is that class can only be defined as public, final or abstract, that we cannot define classes as protected. And private also we can define only to the inner classes, that is the classes within a class, they are called inner classes, so only inner classes can be defined as private. So that's it, guys. That's about the access modifiers. If you like my video, don't forget to hit a like button, to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below if you like my video or if you have any suggestions for me. Thank you.